Hello everyone. Question is a finance company is running its business critical application on current generation Linux EC2 instances. The application includes a self-managed MySQL database performing heavy IO operations. The application is working fine to handle a moderate amount of traffic during the month. However, it slows down during the final 3 days of each month due to month end reporting. Even though the company is using elastic load balancers and auto scaling within its infrastructure to meet the increased demand. Which of the following actions would allow the database to handle the month end load with the least impact on performance? Option A, pre-warming elastic load balancers using a bigger instance type, changing all Amazon EBS volumes to GP2 volumes. Option B, performing a one-time migration of the database cluster to Amazon RDS and creating several additional read replicas to handle the load during end of month. Option C, using Amazon CloudWatch with AWS Lambda to change the type, size, or IOPS of Amazon EBS volumes in the cluster based on a specific CloudWatch metric. Option D, replacing all existing Amazon EBS volumes with the new PI OPS volumes that have the maximum available storage size and IO per second by taking snapshots before the end of the month and reverting back afterwards. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a solution architect is building a web application that uses an Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance. The DB instance is expected to receive many more reads than writes. The solutions architect needs to ensure that the large amount of read traffic can be accommodated and that the DB instance is highly available. Which steps should the solution architect take to meet these requirements? Select three options. Option A, create multiple read replicas and put them into an auto-scaling group. Option B, create multiple read replicas in different availability zones. Option C, create an Amazon Route 53 hosted zone and a record set for each read replica with a TTL and a weighted routing policy. Option D, create an application load balancer ALB and put the read replicas behind the ALB. Option E, configure an Amazon CloudWatch alarm to detect a failed read replica. Set the alarm to directly invoke an AWS Lambda function to delete its Route 53 record set. Option F, configure an Amazon Route 53 health check for each read replica using its endpoint. Correct answer is option B, C, and option F. Question is, a company needs to run a software package that has a license that must be run on the same physical host for the duration of its use. The software package is only going to be used for 90 days. The company requires patching and restarting of all instances every 30 days. How can these requirements be met using AWS? Option A, run a dedicated instance with auto placement disabled. Option B, run the instance on a dedicated host with host affinity set to host. Option C, run an on-demand instance with a reversed instance to ensure consistent placement. Option D, run the instance on a licensed host with the termination set for 90 days. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.